has 2 films. He was fully built up. And I knew this character was not that. My character should not look like some bodybuilder guy.
When it comes to only building muscles, it's a different equation altogether. We know, okay, what needs to be done. No, this is completely changing the look of the person.
I'm saying, I want to be lean. I'm not the... So he's saying, no, this way. Correct, correct. Lean. It's okay. No, lean. I should die here. He kept on saying that.
With Surya sir, one of the easiest thing, dedication and motivation comes as a default version of it.
He has only 4 shirts in the film and 3 trousers in the film. All the shirts were tailored to suit him. And when he comes back to the shoot, 2 days before that, again, trial they started working with the hair. He just wore the costume to feel the thing. And I'm seeing it's become loose. By then, this guy had started dropping weight. And by the time he comes to my shoot, it's completely like the shirt is hanging on him. Then I was telling him right in the beginning, he said, I'm a 19-year-old fellow, 18-year-old fellow. He's a rebel, villager, rebel. So I wanted him to look scruffy and look 19. So he was like, oh, yanda actor on the play panna poranga. He found young Surya. I said, you're the young Surya. What is wrong with you? I can't play 19. What is wrong with you? He kept on saying.
We had to bring him down almost like 2 decades back. So that actually was a major challenge.
I'm shooting 6 a.m. in the morning till 6:35, sometimes 6:40 in the evening. I'm so stressed, I'm not thinking about this actually. But there is this one boy, I had just told him you have to look 19 years old. So he was working out, he's beginning to lose weight.
One more. Very nice.
So in patches wherever we could get time or days when sir would feel that by the time you reach the hotel, we may not be in a situation to do a lengthy workout. Let's try and do a bit right now. So we would do some bodyweight training and whatever we could in the available resources that we had on hand.
For 20 days actually through the shooting, and I'm going to do this look for the Air Force. It's all chiseled. It's beautiful. How is the skin not sagging? How is all this so perfect? He didn't go out of Madurai to do something this place. I don't know. I was in shock because I don't see such things happening. It's easy to drop me, but to look 20 is not easy. A noisy unit. And the unit, this guy is walking in that get-up and a totally pin drop silence. I think it's silly.
He's got an extraordinary tough mind. So once he decides he wants to do this, and he is seriously a very tough guy.
I think that's what is special about Surya. He said, but you throw it into his court, throw the ball, and then you just sit back and you only come back.
I think my team was a little convinced about it.
Yeah, you look 20.
Director சொல்லவே இல்லை படம் முடிஞ்சு 4 நாளுக்கு அப்புறமா சொல்லுது